Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2. The ZR2 is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating. You do have your driving modes, trailer mode, push button 4x4, automatic headlights and fog lights, heads up display controls, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel, paddle shifters on the back side. You do have push button ignition, integrated chiller braking system over a 13-inch large screen, running the Google operating system, Google Maps, Google Assistant, Play Store, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, both still available. Shifter knob now in the center here as well, easy access, cleans up the dash, dual zone climate with heated and ventilated seating. We have the two-tone interior there, the gray black and the red stitching, Bose performance audio throughout, and taking a look at those beautiful Silverado ZR2 heated and ventilated leather seating. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Colorado ZR2. We do have the brand new Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires on a 18-inch ZR2 branded wheel, blacked out wheel with the black bow tie coming down the side of the truck, crew cab, blacked out door handles with keyless entry up front, ZR2 badging. Of course, you do get the off-road ready race suspension with the lift kit up front, 6.2 liter plaque on the hood scoop there. Coming to the front, you have the ZR2 grille with the new flow tie, red accents, red signature tow hooks. Vehicle has fog lights as well as LED daytime running lamps, turn signals. Making our way back down the side. Massive truck, rear tinted privacy windows, fender flares as well, the textured plastic. Coming down the side here, your bumper does have the step-ups in that blacked out bumper, trailer tow pack, the multi-flex tailgate with the blacked out bow tie ZR2 Silverado, and an awesome little feature, rear parking sensors. Is even the exhaust, dual exhaust, but they're tucked all the way up in the rear of the bumper to keep those departure angles solid for your ZR2 Silverado. Taking a quick look at the interior again, second row, leather 60/40 split. Both end seats here have that textured leather, heated as well, car seat ready with in-seat storage feature, a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top in the black headliner, LED lighting, single pane sunroof. Back of the center console, heated seats and USB ports, crew cab truck, so tons and tons of room in the back of the Silverado ZR2. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Silverado ZR2. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.